All right, everybody. Hello, welcome to another traveling Costa Rica video. This is part 2 in Puntarenas, guys. We're in Puntarenas. If you want to know where Puntarenas is, check part 1. We'll post that up. Check that video. Describes where Puntarenas is and how to get here. So here's down at the other end. We're going to do a sunset walk. I wasn't going to do this video, but I drove around through here and I was like, actually, it's pretty nice. We'll get a little walk in. There's a lighthouse right up there. Guys, if this is your first time joining, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Like this video, leave me a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. The last video we did was right down this road. A couple minutes drive down the road there. That's where we were. So if you come up this way, you're all the way down at the Puntarenas, the point. So there's the sun setting down over Guanacaste, it seems, I think, if I got my bearings correct. Very nice, very nice. Lots of people out, lots of families, lots of cool little things to do for the kids. Let's go walk right out there. Let's go see what it looks like out there. This is a good trip, guys. So this is the second video in this trip. I think somebody left a comment and they want me to check a beach way over there. Tambor, I think. So I just checked the ferry schedule. I was going to buy the ticket today for the ferry, but I guess you buy the ticket on the day of the ferry. You show up an hour before. So I have the schedule, and we'll do a video of the ferry, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. And I'll show you where I'm staying tonight in tomorrow's video, so stay tuned for that. Got a really nice little place for pretty cheap. Good budget accommodation option. Here's the beach. There's a cat. There's 2 cats. There must be a lot of cat food like fish. Fish cat. So once again, guys, there's Caldera way off in the distance. See those boats over there? That's like the port. So in my brief research, I discovered that the port was formerly Puntarenas, and then it shifted over to Caldera. So there's a ferry. Oh my God, look at how scenic that is, guys. Wow. There's a ferry way off. Right there. Can you see it? Yep. So that's a cool little ferry. So that's what we're going to try to get on. And the price for a motorcycle, I think, was about $7 from what I saw. But tomorrow I'll get a full, I'll get a picture of that price list. Some hotels down here. What's this one? Hotel Yadran. And there was like a hotel over there called Las Brisas. That's nice. So look at all the people out for sunset. There's some street meat. Okay, so here's a sign that says no pedos, no dogs, no swimming, some other things. There's no swimming down here. I guess the water's pretty strong down here, maybe. Maybe is the problem. So there's the lighthouse right there. We're going to walk over there. Because I just strapped the phone to myself and I did a moto tour. I was like riding around on the moto. And I was like, oh man, you know what? This is actually worth doing a walk. Bunch of people selling stuff. Very nice, very nice. This is a burger. This is a burger trailer, I suppose. I like it. Oh, dude, yeah, right. What are those? Oh, they're bicycle cart things. Like Mario Kart. That's pretty cool. Interesting. I like it. So now the sun's like literally setting, man. We're within minutes of that sun going down. There you go. That's just picturesque. There's another little bridge, lighthouse. I mean, what am I saying? The words I'm saying, a point you can go out. I'm all discombobulated. So guys, I drove the Moto BC today. How long was I driving for? I left at 8 a.m. and I arrived here in Puntarenas at about 1. And that was with ample breaks, not for eating, just for cigars. I didn't eat food till I got here. And when I got here, I got a casado. It's very delicious. Look at all the people out, man. People got lawn chairs set up. I like it. There's the lighthouse. I wonder if the lighthouse like works. Looks like it. Looks like it's like operational. Oh, here come. This looks like it's a ferry coming in. Oh, there's a kid. Whoa. Okay, that's dope. Yeah, that's sick. That's like the coolest thing. I kind of want to do that. Here comes a ferry. So guys, there's two ferries. There's one that goes to Paquera, and there's one that goes to Naranjo, I think is what it's called. So here comes the ferry. Right there. Is that coming in? Ferries are like directional, aren't they? They look like it. Obviously they're not, but they confuse me. I get startled whenever I see a ferry. I don't know which way it's going. Yeah, so there's one that goes to Naranjo, and then there's one that goes to Paquera. So I want to go to Paquera because I think it goes more south on the peninsula. Got these food trucks down here. I like food too. And then here is, what is this called, guys? Remind me in the comments what this bay is called here. I think the Rio Tempesque is like, leads into this, the main river that goes through Guanacaste. There you go, sun's down here. Yep, here comes the ferry. So ferry is just like, they don't have, like, when I look at it, I'm like, which direction are you going, man? It's like snakes, you know what I mean? That's why I don't like snakes, because they don't have hands. I can't tell, like, if a snake is clenching its fists because it doesn't have any. So I don't know its disposition towards me. They startle me. Ferries, very startling as well. You probably disagree with that. You probably never thought that in your entire life. I just thought of it myself. We're just kicking it. What's this place here? What's this place? I have to film this place. What is this place? I don't know. But it looks fun. Now where are we going? So Puntarenas is like, this is, the other side that we were just on was the ocean. This side is like a river. It's a river. This is cool. I mean, I like it. So once again, guys, if you land in San Jose and you're going over to, let's say, like Nicoya, Samara, or Nosara, whatever, you know, you could come this way. Even if you're going up further than that, like to Playa del Coco or Tamarindo, you could come and take the ferry. There's the ferries right here. And, you know, you get to sail across the ocean, right? You get great views of the ocean. And you're doing it while you're going to where you're going anyway. So it's super efficient. And I'd imagine kids would dig it, right? Being on a boat. It's a really cool experience. Say, hey, I went on a boat in Costa Rica. Oh, Pizza Pata? Okay, there's a Pizza Pata here. So Pizza Pata, they have a Pizza Pata in Paco. I think there's a couple other places too. And they have really good pizza, dude. I just try not to eat it because it's got gluten in it. Upsets my tummy. But check out Pizza Pata for sure. And then it looks like there's just a bunch of other like restaurants, and they got some situations over here where you can sit and eat. There's a bar. So this is like a busy spot, guys, because the ferries, right? Like, I think a lot of people use the ferries, and you can go on the ferries without a car too, obviously, like as a passenger. So tomorrow, I don't know what ferry I'm gonna jump on. I think I'm gonna favor whatever ferry is closest to the time I wake up. Like, I'd like to get moving early, but there is a new ferry that, it's like a new boat, I think I saw in the news. I don't think that's it. But they're pretty cool. So you can see it now from the outside here. You know, it's got like decks. You could sit, like seating decks, observation decks. And then underneath in the, was anybody in the Navy, like below deck? I don't know how you'd say that, right? There's like a cafeteria. Oh, cool. Oh, man. Dude, I'm like a child. I'm like a child right here. Look at this boat. Boat. It's coming in. That one looks new. That ferry looks a lot newer than do the other two that are sitting there. It's moving pretty quick, man. He's moving. He's hauling, dude. Hauling. Reverse thrusters. Number 2, reverse thrusters. Look at how fast he's going. He's going at least 3 to plus knots, man. Right? I don't know anything about boats, dude. He's got music playing too. Listen, can you guys hear that music? There's some like herons, there's some cool birds flying by. Man, what a great shot to end this video. I hope you guys enjoy that walking, talking tour. This is part 2 in the trip across Costa Rica on the little BC Moto. He's doing the maneuver. Is that new? I don't know. Like I have no knowledge of what a new ferry would look like versus an old. Cool, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed that walking, talking tour here. As always, hit subscribe, hit like, leave me a comment. Hope you guys enjoyed the commentary while I'm walking here. I'm just trying to make it up, man. I'm just trying to keep it entertaining, you know? But leave me a comment, guys. Leave me a comment, say hello. Let me know when you're watching, where you're watching from. I'm always interested in where people are watching these videos from. Wow. Oh, he's going to do the spinny poo. Rock on, brother. Rock on. Okay, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.